Your hands ever tingle? Or do your legs sometimes feel weaker than before? That's not just age creeping up. It's your body quietly signaling that collagen is running low. After 60, most people lose over 30% of their natural collagen without even realizing it. That's why your knees ache when you stand, or why your fingers go numb after holding something for too long. Here's the surprising part. Over 90% of older adults don't even know this is happening. Collagen is what keeps your joints smooth, your nerves protected, and your muscles strong. And when collagen starts to fade, stiffness, weakness, and pain usually follow. But here's the good news. It's not too late to fight back. You don't need expensive powders or complicated supplements. Nature already gave us what we need. In today's video, we'll go through 8 powerful vegetables. Yes, simple, everyday vegetables that can help rebuild collagen, restore nerve function, and bring strength back to your legs and hands. Have you noticed any of these symptoms lately? Tingling fingers or heavy, aching legs? Share your story in the comments below. We read every message and care about your journey. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Health 365, where every week we share practical tips to help you stay strong, steady, and independent after 60. Let's begin with something colorful, familiar, and surprisingly powerful. Red bell peppers. You probably have one in your fridge right now, sitting quietly beside the cucumbers or carrots. But don't let its simple look fool you. This sweet, crunchy vegetable is one of the best foods you can eat if you want to protect your joints, nerves, and muscles after 60. Here's why. Red bell peppers are absolutely packed with vitamin C. Just half a cup gives you more than 150% of your daily needs. And that's important because vitamin C is the key that unlocks your body's ability to produce collagen. Without enough of it, collagen production slows down dramatically, and that's when problems begin. Stiff knees, tingling hands, even balance issues. But there's more. Red bell peppers also contain capsaicin, a natural antioxidant that shields collagen around your joints and nerves from everyday wear and tear. Think of it as a protective shield that guards your fingers, ankles, and knees from tiny damages that build up over time. How should you enjoy them? Keep it simple. Slice them raw into salads, dip them in hummus, or toss them into a stir fry at the very end so they stay crisp. Just avoid overcooking. High heat destroys vitamin C. It's a small habit, but adding red bell peppers regularly can mean less stiffness, stronger grip, and maybe even a little spring in your step that you thought was gone. Next up, spinach. You've probably eaten it before, maybe in a salad or tucked into an omelet. But what most people don't realize is just how powerful this leafy green really is, especially when it comes to supporting your joints, nerves, and muscles as you age. Spinach isn't just a healthy vegetable. It's a collagen-preserving, nerve-protecting powerhouse that your body over 60 truly needs. For starters, it's rich in vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. This vitamin helps your body create and regulate collagen. Without it, the cells that build collagen, fibroblasts, start to slow down, making it harder for your body to repair itself. But spinach doesn't stop there. It's also packed with lutein and chlorophyll, two nutrients that help clean up chronic inflammation. And as you probably know, inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of aging joints and nerves. It creeps in quietly, causing stiffness in your knees, burning sensations in your hands, or that dull ache in your legs when you walk. Here's where it gets even better. Spinach is a great source of magnesium, a mineral that over 60% of older adults are missing. Magnesium supports nerve signals, muscle movement, and the enzymes that build collagen. Without enough of it, muscles cramp, hands tingle, and joints don't get the blood flow they need to stay strong. Even better, spinach is rich in natural nitrates. These help widen blood vessels and improve circulation to hard-to-reach areas like fingertips, knees, and feet. Better blood flow means faster healing, stronger collagen fibers, and less of that pins and needles feeling at night or during a walk. So if your hands feel less steady or your knees don't bend the way they used to, spinach might be the gentle green boost your body is craving. Now let's talk about a veggie with a bad reputation, okra. Maybe you've avoided it because of its slippery texture. Or maybe you've only had it once in a stew. But here's something worth knowing. If your fingers feel stiff in the morning, or your knees ache when you stand, okra might be exactly what your joints and nerves are missing. This humble pod is rich in a gel-like fiber called mucilage. Think of it as a soothing cushion. It works like the natural fluid that surrounds your joints. As we age and collagen breaks down, that cushion gets thinner, leaving bones and cartilage to rub together. That's when the pain starts. But the mucilage, along with pectin and polyphenols in okra, helps calm inflammation and rebuild that protective barrier. Okra also brings in nutrients your body needs to build collagen the right way. Vitamin C to trigger production, vitamin K to guide calcium into your bones instead of your joints, and manganese, a mineral your cells use to form proline, one of collagen's main building blocks. But that's not all. Okra contains quercetin and flavonoids, two compounds that protect your nerves from oxidative damage. That's especially important if you've been dealing with tingling hands or feet, or sudden weakness when walking. Often it's not just nerves, it's the slow breakdown of collagen-rich tissue that surrounds and protects them. Okra helps slow that process down. So if you wake up with stiff fingers or avoid stairs because of sore knees, give okra another chance. Steam it lightly, roast it, or add it to soups. Just don't overcook it. It's not just a side dish, it's nature's support system for your joints, nerves, and the collagen holding everything together. Next, broccoli. You've seen it on your plate since childhood. But after 60, broccoli isn't just a healthy green, it becomes a quiet warrior for your joints, your nerves, and your collagen. Here's why. As we age, the collagen matrix that holds our muscles, tendons, and ligaments together starts to weaken. That's why knees crack, ankles stiffen, and hands tire more quickly. It's not just wear and tear, it's the silent breakdown of the structure holding you up. And this is where broccoli steps in. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, a compound that switches on your body's repair genes, like a reset button for aging tissue. Research shows sulforaphane protects collagen-producing fibroblasts, reduces inflammation, and helps cartilage heal faster. That means better grip strength, stronger knees, and fewer sharp pains catching you off guard. On top of that, broccoli is full of vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and glucosinolates, a perfect recipe for making and protecting collagen. These nutrients don't just build new tissue, they defend existing collagen from damage caused by arthritis, inflammation, or blood sugar spikes. Broccoli also supports nerve health. Its antioxidants reduce damage around the small nerves in your hands and legs, helping restore steady movement and ease that burning or tingling feeling. And here's another bonus. Its fiber helps regulate blood sugar. That matters because high blood sugar makes collagen stiff and brittle, raising your risk of injury. By keeping blood sugar steady, broccoli protects the collagen you already have. So whether you steam it, roast it, or blend it into soup, make broccoli a daily habit. It's not just a vegetable, it's quiet protection for your joints, nerves, and the strength that keeps you steady on your feet. Coming up next, a deep red root that's as good for your blood flow as it is for your bones. Beets. You might remember them from holiday dinners or jars of pickles. They're earthy, a little sweet, and for seniors, they're much more than just a colorful side dish. If your legs feel heavy when you walk, or your hands get cold even indoors, this humble root could become one of your best allies. After 60, one of the silent culprits behind joint pain, muscle weakness, and tingling limbs isn't always age. It's often poor circulation. When blood doesn't flow well, the nutrients your body needs to repair collagen can't reach the places that need them most. And that's where beets shine. They're rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that opens up blood vessels and helps oxygen and nutrients travel more efficiently to your muscles, joints, and nerves. In fact, a 2019 study showed that older adults who drank beet juice daily improved blood flow in their legs, felt more energy while walking, and even had stronger muscle activation. So what does that have to do with collagen? Everything. Better circulation means your body can deliver vitamin C, zinc, copper, and amino acids, the very building blocks of collagen, right where they're needed. Without that delivery system, collagen can't form, no matter how well you eat. Beets also contain betanin, a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen from being broken down by inflammation and oxidative stress, two major drivers of joint stiffness and nerve pain in older adults. And there's one more gift hidden in this vibrant root: folate, a B vitamin that supports tissue repair and lowers homocysteine, an inflammatory compound that damages blood vessels and weakens collagen-rich tissue. Try roasting beets, tossing them into salads, or enjoying a small glass of fresh beet juice. Just avoid boiling, since it drains nutrients. Pairing beets with citrus can boost their benefits by helping your body absorb more nitrates. If your legs feel heavier than the rest of you or your hands don't warm up like they used to, beets may help turn things around from the inside out. Next, let's talk about a sea vegetable that often gets overlooked: seaweed. You've probably walked past it in the store without a second thought. It might seem strange or unfamiliar, but if your knees feel tight, your hands tingle at night, or you don't recover from aches the way you used to, this ocean plant could be exactly what your body has been missing. Seaweed is one of nature's richest sources of collagen-activating minerals, especially iodine, copper, zinc, and manganese. These are the quiet workers your body needs not only to build collagen, but also to activate the enzymes that make collagen fibers form correctly. Without them, even all the protein and vitamin C in the world won't do the job. And there's more. Seaweed contains fucoidan and alginate, two unique compounds shown to stimulate fibroblasts, the very cells that produce collagen. That's especially important if you've noticed tight tendons, weak grip strength, or stiff joints. It's not just about comfort, it's about protecting the structural network that supports your movement, balance, and nerves. Here's something seniors often overlook: thyroid health. After 60, low iodine levels can slow your thyroid, and that slows down everything: collagen production, tissue repair, and circulation. Seaweed naturally supports thyroid function, helping restore the rhythm your body needs for healing. If you've been dealing with cold hands and feet, muscle cramps, or delayed healing, it might not just be age. It could be that your cells don't have the tools to rebuild. Seaweed gives them what they need. And you don't need much, just a few servings a week. Choose low-sodium nori sheets or seaweed flakes without added oils or sugar. Sprinkle them on soup, blend into smoothies, or enjoy as a light snack. It may feel unfamiliar at first, but this ocean vegetable has been healing bodies for centuries. Now it can support yours too. Now, let's move to something a little more familiar: asparagus. Maybe you've had it grilled beside a nice dinner, or steamed until tender with just a sprinkle of salt. But what most people don't realize is that asparagus is one of the strongest allies your body can have when it comes to rebuilding collagen and easing nerve pain after 60. Asparagus is rich in glutathione, often called your body's master antioxidant. It helps protect and repair collagen fibers, especially in joints, skin, and nerve tissue. As we age, glutathione levels naturally drop, leading to slower healing, more stiffness, and that frustrating burning or tingling feeling in the hands or legs. Asparagus helps restore that protective shield. It's also a great source of vitamin K, which directs calcium into your bones instead of letting it settle in your joints or blood vessels. That's important because misplaced calcium can cause stiffness, nerve compression, and even pain. Vitamin K helps guide it back where it belongs, supporting stronger bones and healthier joints. And don't forget folate. Asparagus is full of it, and folate supports cellular repair and DNA regeneration, both essential for creating new collagen and keeping your body's healing systems running smoothly. Seniors low in folate often notice thinner skin, slower healing, and more frequent joint aches. Even better, asparagus contains prebiotic fiber, which feeds your gut, the very place where nutrients are absorbed and inflammation is controlled. A healthy gut means better absorption of collagen-building nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium. So the next time you see asparagus at the market, don't think of it as just a side dish. Think of it as gentle medicine in every stock. Finally, let's talk about a tiny green herb most people overlook: parsley. You've probably seen it sitting quietly on the edge of your plate as a garnish. But after 60, Parsley isn't just decoration. It's one of the most powerful collagen-boosting foods you can add to your daily routine. Parsley is absolutely packed with vitamin C. Just a small handful contains even more than an orange. And as we've said, vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Without it, your body simply can't build or repair collagen. So if your knees feel stiff or your hands have lost their grip strength, this little herb can fuel the healing process from the inside out. But that's not all. Parsley also delivers a rich dose of vitamin K, which helps your bones absorb calcium while protecting your joints and blood vessels from calcification, a common issue after 60 that leads to stiffness and inflammation. Together, vitamins C and K support both the creation and preservation of collagen. Even more impressive is apigenin, a powerful antioxidant found in parsley. Research shows it reduces inflammation in the very cells that make collagen, your fibroblasts. That means parsley not only helps build new collagen, but also protects what you already have from breaking down due to stress, age, or chronic inflammation. And because parsley is rich in chlorophyll and supports glutathione production, it helps oxygenate your tissues and detox your joints, promoting faster healing in your knees, wrists, and fingers. The best part? It's easy to add. Sprinkle a few tablespoons into soups, blend into smoothies, mix into salads, or stir into scrambled eggs. Just a little each day can go a long way. So if you've been feeling a little less steady on your feet, if your hands tingle when you rest, or if your knees creak more than they used to, know this. Your body is sending you a message. It's not just getting older. It's a call for collagen, for nourishment, and for gentle support from the foods nature gave us. You don't need fancy powders or expensive supplements. The truth is, healing can begin right in your kitchen. From the bright crunch of red bell peppers to the quiet strength of parsley, these 8 vegetables can help rebuild your foundation. One meal, one bite, one day at a time. You've already made it through decades of living, loving, and learning. Now it's time to give your body the kindness and care it's earned. Start small, add one of these healing veggies to your plate this week, and watch how your hands, legs, and energy begin to change. Before you go, let us know in the comments, are you dealing more with tingling hands or with weak legs? We'd love to hear your story, and we read every message. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Health 365 for weekly videos designed just for you. Because you deserve to feel strong, steady, and supported at every stage of life.